Hi everyone! In this video we will standardize a normally distributed random variable. On average, an ER receives 65 patients per hour with a standard deviation of 8 patients per hour. Let X equal the number of patients that visit the ER per hour. Then X is normally distributed with a mean of 65 and standard deviation of 8. Suppose the number of patients that visit the ER per hour is normally distributed, and the ER receives 75 patients in 1 hour on Monday. Identify the z-score and mean. How many standard deviations to the right of the mean is the x value? The first thing we want to do is find the mean and standard deviation of our normally distributed random variable x, and we were given it several times in the introduction. We were told that on average, the ER receives 65 patients. We were also told in the notation where the normally distributed random variable x has a mean or a mu of 65. We were also told that the standard deviation is 8 patients per hour. We were also told right here in this notation as well that the standard deviation is 8. Now we just need to standardize this by using x equaling 75. So we have x equals 75. We have a mean or mu of 65 and a standard deviation or sigma of 8. We can use these to find the z-score or the standard score by taking our x, subtracting mu or the mean, and dividing it by the standard deviation. We have these all written out, so we can substitute and get 75 minus 65 divided by 8. This is 10 over 8. 10 divided by 8 is 1.25. This is our standard score or our z-score, and we can identify where that falls on a normal curve. Let's draw a quick normal curve here. And the middle is our mean, right down the center, mu. And we have 1 standard deviation away, 2 standard deviations away, and 3 standard deviations away. This is 1 above, 1 standard deviation above, 2 standard deviations above, and 3 standard deviations above. Here's 1 standard deviation below, 2 standard deviations below, and 3 standard deviations below. We have a z-score of 1.25, so we know we are above in the positive direction, and we are above just over 1 standard deviation. We are at 1 standard deviation, 0.25. So 1.25 standard deviations above the mean. We were also told the mean is 65. So we have the z-score of 1.25 and the mean of 65. So we've answered both of our questions and we're all done.